The conference welcomes 4 new head coaches this season. Dino Babers at Bowling Green, Chris Creighton at Eastern Michigan, Chuck Martin at Miami, and Mark Whipple at Massachusetts.
Pretty good. Feels really good to represent my school, and I'm really confident and I'm really excited for the season.
Ready? Okay. But the exciting thing is you don't really know what you're going to get with true freshmen, and the scary part is you don't really know what you're going to get with true freshmen. But we're going to build it the right way from the ground up. Like I said last year, what we were going to do, we're not going to stick off that plan at all. We're not going to waver whatsoever. Absolutely. I think the biggest thing, we just got to continue to get better. You know, we have 10 seniors on our football team, 14 juniors on our football team. Everybody else is underclassmen, which is really exciting.
We are excited about the players we have now, and we're just ready to roll and just football.
The media puts a ceiling on them. Pressure puts a ceiling on them. The people in our community put a ceiling on them. More energized.
Oh man, it's an everyday thing for him. They don't stop. He got the most energy I never seen from anyone. I thought I had a lot of energy. Me and him actually trying to compete, and it's no competition. That guy is
You filming? Yeah. Because you'll come back to this because I am going to go one-on-one with Donald Southgar in training camp. So what we'll do is we'll splice this together with the actual footage, okay, and watch what happens.
Yeah, watch you don't get off the line.
See, that's what you're just going to continue to be overconfident, and then the old man is going to make you look silly, right?
I don't think so.
Young bull, old bull. I understand.
Young bull, for life.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
They be like, your coach look like he should be in the movies. Look at my face.
What's wrong with that?
I got a good looking coach.
Football player. Wow. Seems like a pretty well-rounded guy.
Not me today, level 2 thing. My dog Cole, he here. You feel me? Detroit, Ford Field, we out here. Beautiful scene. I'm getting recorded and he getting recorded. We out here.